Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable send read receipt for text messages, chat features on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, open up the Messages app, and in Messages, tap on the Option key at the top here, and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Chat Features, and then tap on Enable Chat Features. Make sure it is turned on first. If it is not on, then this option becomes disabled. And after that, you can tap on Send Read Receipt. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. And it said that let others know you have read the messages. So if you don't want them to know that you have read the text messages, you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.